What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sharp Technique. Today I'm really excited to share something I've been waiting to get my hands on: the Big Idea Design TI Watch Solar. This is one of those watches that blends utility, minimalist design, and premium craftsmanship into one seriously clean package. In the box, we get a sleek titanium watch case powered by solar movement, a handy set of tools, and not just one, but two interchangeable watch straps, each offering a totally different style and feel. Let's take a closer look at the watch first. The titanium case is super lightweight, but tough, classic Big Idea design form. The finish is clean, and the solar dial has a really subtle beauty to it, modern but timeless. The crown has a smooth action, and because this is a solar powered Japanese movement, there's no need to replace batteries. Just regular light exposure keeps it going. The TI Solar watch comes in a beautiful coffin style presentation box with a smooth wooden finish. It has a refined natural look that gives the unboxing experience a premium and thoughtful touch, exactly what you'd expect from Big Idea design. Inside, everything is precision cut, and the watch sits securely in a foam insert, and the additional straps and tools are neatly arranged in their own compartment. It's minimal, functional, and elevated, just like the watch itself. They also include a couple of tools for adjusting and swapping straps, and I'll say these aren't just throwaway accessories. Everything feels well machined and intentional. Here you see they've even stamped Big Idea design on the side of the tool, and they've given you a couple of inserts to make all of the necessary and needed adjustments. Now, for one of the coolest parts of this package, the two different straps you get. Each one totally transforms the vibe of the watch. One comes in a gray canvas, the other one in a black canvas for every occasion in your daily life. Next is a titanium link bracelet. This one matches the case perfectly. If you're going for a full metal, rugged, everyday look, this is it. And it's not overly heavy, which is a big plus. If you notice, it fits me very well, so any adjustments you make are going to be easy, seamless, and you definitely can get it adjusted exactly to your wrist size. Swapping out the strap on the TI Watch Solar is super easy. Thanks to the quick release spring bars, you can switch styles in seconds without any tools. So whether you're going for sleek and modern, rugged and durable, or casual and lightweight, the TI Watch Solar gives you all three in one box. I'll be wearing this over the next few weeks and giving you a follow-up review on durability and how it fits into daily life. So make sure to subscribe and drop a comment if there's anything specific you want to see tested. I will leave you here with the last two bands, and I will let you see how these look. So whether you want to go with the TI bracelet or any of these canvas straps, it will not disappoint. Well, that's it for me, and as always, stay sharp.